Buntag mga kapuso, it's Vista time na. This morning atong makauban usab ang award-winning veteran actress ug atong sayro ng iyahang character sa upcoming GMA Afternoon Prime series na Stories from the Heart, Never Say Goodbye. Walay lain pa kundi si Miss Snooky Serna. Maayong buntag Miss Snooky and welcome back dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Na-miss ka ng Mindanao. Kamusta ka po?
Ay, ako'y nasa mabuting kalagayan naman sa awa ng Diyos. Thank God. We're all okay naman dito sa aming lock-in taping. And attorney, gusto rin kitang batiin ng maayong buntag. Tama ba yun, attorney? At
Yes.
of course, syempre po sa lahat ng mga kababayan nating nanonood sa Mindanao, maayong buntag po sa inyong lahat.
Ayun. Thank you again for making time po para sa amin. But bago natin pag-usapan ang yung kwento about your locking taping and your new drama series, of course, dito kami would like to congratulate you po for winning the Jury Award Best Performance and Best Actress Award at the 11th International Film Festival in New York. Miss Snooky, how do you feel after receiving these awards?
Oh my goodness, I feel so much more humbled and grateful, attorney, kasi I did not expect to win the award at all, much less win 2 awards, modesty aside now. And so I really feel so grateful talaga. I thank God for the honor and the blessing, really. To God be all the glory.
After doing po many projects, I know you've worked with a lot of actors and actresses. At this level, what do you think po, Miss Snooky, yung makes a good actor or a good actress?
Ako, I feel what makes a good actor and actress is sensitivity. Siguro you have to be sensitive. You have to have the dedication. You have to have the passion to do what you're doing. I think that's the secret, and of course above all else talaga yung faith to be able to go through to be able to delineate the roles given you. Ang daming kalaban, attorney, ang daming magagaling na artista. Ako'y natututo pa lang din up to now. Marami pa akong kakainin bigas na po.
Oh, very humble talaga ikaw, Miss Snooky, kasi after all the awards, it's good to know that up until now, parang you're still learning the ropes dito sa show.
Yeah.
And we're very excited dahil makikita ka ulit namin dito sa bagong GMA Afternoon Crime series na Stories from the Heart presents Never Say Goodbye. Can you tell us more about this po?
I played the role of Susan, a very loving mother, very supportive, very giving, very understanding, and literally I feel parang she'll give her life for her, just to save her child.
So ano po yung mensahe ninyo, Miss Snooky, sa lahat ng ating mga kapuso na patuloy na sumusuporta sa inyo, lalong-lalo na, and invite them also na panoorin ang Never Say Goodbye.
Yes, thank you, attorney. I'd like to invite everybody po, lahat ng mga taga Mindanao, please, mga kapuso, salamat po sa lahat ng support ang binibigay nyo all through this year sa GMA, sa ating Kapuso Network. Patuloy nyo po kaming suportahan sa panonood po ng Never Say Goodbye. Napakaganda po nitong story na ito, napakaganda po nitong teleserye na ito na inyong aabangan sa hapon. Please support mga kapuso.
And that was Miss Snooky Serna. Siya lang mo mga kapuso, kamubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.